Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you need a rental car but aren't sure if your bank card will be accepted? Imagine this. You're on a business trip, your flight gets delayed, and you need to rent a car to get to your meeting on time. You arrive at the rental counter, hand over your Varo bank card, and, drumroll please, it's declined. Now, before we dive into the main question, let's talk a bit about Varo Bank. It's a mobile-only bank that's been making waves in the financial industry. With its competitive rates, fee-free services, and convenient app, Varo has attracted a significant following. But when it comes to using your Varo card for things like car rentals, the question often arises, will it be accepted? Enterprise's acceptance policy. Enterprise, one of the largest rental car companies in the world, has a fairly straightforward policy regarding accepted payment methods. They generally accept major credit cards, debit cards, and prepaid cards. However, there are a few factors that can influence whether or not your Varo card will be accepted. Factors affecting acceptance. Card type. Debit card. If you're using a Varo debit card, Enterprise will typically verify your funds to ensure that you have enough to cover the rental cost and any potential damages. Prepaid card. Varo also offers prepaid cards. These cards work similarly to debit cards, and their acceptance will depend on the available funds. Rental location. While Enterprise's general policy is consistent across most locations, there may be specific rental locations or countries where certain payment methods are not accepted. It's always a good idea to check with the rental location directly before making a reservation. Additional fees. Some rental car companies, including Enterprise, may charge additional fees or require a security deposit. These fees can vary depending on the rental location, the type of vehicle, and the renter's age and driving history. Online reservations. When making an online reservation, you may be able to see the accepted payment methods for that specific location. However, it's still recommended to confirm with the rental counter to avoid any surprises. Tips for a smooth rental experience. Check your card limits. Ensure that your Varo card has sufficient credit or debit limits to cover the rental cost and any potential fees. Have backup payment options. It's always wise to have a backup payment method, such as a different credit or debit card, in case your Varo card is declined. Contact Enterprise directly. If you have any concerns about using your Varo card for a rental, don't hesitate to contact Enterprise's customer service directly. They can provide you with specific information for your rental location. While Enterprise generally accepts Varo bank cards, there are a few factors that can influence their acceptance. By understanding these factors and taking the necessary precautions, you can increase your chances of a smooth rental experience. Remember, it's always best to confirm with the rental location directly before making a reservation. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about using Varo bank cards for car rentals or other purchases, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.